Introducing the Residences Dorchester Collection in downtown Dubai. The latest masterpiece from Omniyat, the Middle East's most iconic property developer. With just 39 ultra-high-end residences in a 32-story building, this will not only be an address like no other, but also a never-again opportunity to acquire a rare luxury residence in a landmark hotel and residential development, the like of which will never be repeated in Dubai. Managed by the UK's renowned hotel group, Dorchester Collection. Known for their legendary standard of service, opulence and style, and designed by the international award-winning architects, Foster and Partners. The project consists of 2 towers, one housing a 5-star Dorchester Collection hotel, and the other consisting of only 39 fully furnished and fully serviced residences. You can choose from the exclusive collection of 2, 3, or 4 bedroom residences, ranging from 3,900 to 10,000 square feet in size, while the 6 ultra-exclusive penthouses each come with their own swimming pool and range in size from 9,400 to almost 18,000 square feet. Entertain your guests in the luxurious residence lounge and private dining room on the 24th floor, which opens onto the breathtaking members-only Sky Garden with its own private access to the hotel's spa and magnificent swimming pool on the rooftop. Residents can also enjoy exclusive access to their own residence outdoor swimming pool, private gym, yoga studio, and an array of world-class culinary food and beverage venues in the building's retail food and beverage village. The Residences Dorchester Collection enjoy an almost 200-meter wide water frontage on the Dubai Water Canal, only a 5-minute drive from Burj Khalifa. Or simply book a trip on the 100-foot Dolce Vita Dorchester Collection luxury yacht, which is available for the personalized use of the residence. Timeless interiors by the famous French interior designers Gilles and Bossier combine exquisite finishing, intricate details, and a sumptuous material palette with unique features such as floor-to-ceiling glass, double-height spaces, and expansive terraces. Seamless home automation, cooking and cleaning appliances by Gaggenau, and beverage display and refrigeration by Sub-Zero reflect the high standards of opulent living. This is not a residence that you want to buy. It's one that you want to acquire. Omniyat. Details make perfection.